So I'm Will, and this is Bernadette Helton, and we own University Auto and Tire in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Shopmonkey is our #1 reason why we have our customer service scores the way that they've risen. Our Google rankings were 4.0, now we're 4.8, and it's all about trust and transparency, and that's what Shopmonkey gives us. People don't trust automotive repair shops in general. And for us, everything we do is pictures and videos and documentation. It's your car, it's pictures of your car. It's super easy to use and upload.
For the customer, that's just such a big win. The customer just really feels connected to the repairs that's going on their car.
We actually don't use the phone to sell. We use our videos and our inspections to sell. There's sales that we earn all the time based on the inspection that we might not have gotten if we would have just called the customer. You eliminate that gap between the service manager writing the estimate and the technician inspecting it. Now the technicians feel like when they find things wrong with the car and they put it on there, they got a good chance of getting that sale. And that's been a big part of our sales growth.
The technician says all the time to the service people, why didn't the customer buy that? So then they do feel connected to the sale immediately.
I would recommend Shopmonkey simply because you don't need to have different solutions to solve different problems. Shopmonkey hits it all very well. All the things that you need to do to grow your business.